Yellow leaves on cucumber plants can be a worrying sight for any gardener, but in many cases, the problem can be corrected with a few simple steps. Understanding the most common causes of yellowing leaves and addressing them early can help your cucumber plants recover and continue producing healthy fruits throughout the season. The first thing to examine is the condition of the soil around your cucumber plants. Frequent watering can sometimes cause the soil to become compacted, restricting airflow and slowing drainage. When excess moisture remains trapped around the roots, the plants may experience stress, leading to yellow leaves and reduced growth. Carefully loosen the top layer of soil around the base of the plant using a hand cultivator or small garden tool. Avoid digging too deeply to prevent root damage. Improving soil structure allows water to drain more effectively, increases oxygen availability, and encourages stronger root development. Healthy roots are the foundation of vigorous vines and productive cucumber plants. Nutrient deficiencies are another major cause of yellowing foliage. Cucumbers require a steady supply of nutrients to support rapid growth and fruit production. Nitrogen plays a key role in maintaining rich green leaves and healthy plant development. When nitrogen levels become too low, older leaves often begin turning pale green or yellow. Potassium is essential for flowering and fruit formation, while phosphorus supports strong root growth. A shortage of any of these nutrients can weaken the plant and affect overall productivity. One effective homemade plant feed can be made using compost and molasses. Compost supplies a broad range of nutrients and organic matter, while molasses helps nourish beneficial soil microorganisms. These microbes assist in breaking down organic materials and making nutrients easier for plants to absorb. To prepare this solution, add a generous amount of well-aged compost to a bucket of water and mix in a small amount of molasses. Stir thoroughly and allow the mixture to steep for several hours or overnight. Once ready, strain the liquid if desired and apply it around the base of your cucumber plants. Regular applications every 2 to 3 weeks can improve soil health and promote stronger plant growth. In addition to soil and nutrient issues, insect pests may also contribute to yellowing leaves. Aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, and other sap-feeding insects commonly attack cucumber plants. These pests extract plant juices, weakening the foliage and causing yellow spots, discoloration, and reduced vigor. Severe infestations can significantly impact plant health and lower cucumber yields. A natural and widely used solution for managing many garden pests is neem oil. Neem oil interferes with the growth and reproduction of insects, helping to reduce pest populations without relying on harsh chemicals. To make a simple spray, mix a small amount of neem oil with lukewarm water and stir thoroughly. Since oil and water separate naturally, it is important to mix well before each use. Spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, paying special attention to areas where pests commonly hide. For best results, apply the spray during the early morning or late evening when temperatures are cooler and direct sunlight is less intense. By improving soil drainage, supplying nutrients through compost and molasses, and controlling pests with neem oil, you can often reverse leaf yellowing and restore your cucumber plants to full health. With proper care, your plants will become stronger, more resilient, and capable of producing a plentiful harvest of fresh, crisp cucumbers all season long.